Setups. AI is a game-changing AI software that just hit the market, and if you're new to it, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Stick around till the end because I'll walk you through everything, from how it stands out to how it could completely transform the way you work with AI. Plus, you can try it out completely free through the link below. First things first, what exactly is Setups AI? This new software is designed to streamline your workflow by using advanced artificial intelligence to help with tasks ranging from automating mundane processes to enhancing creativity. If you've been struggling to find a reliable, time-saving AI tool, Setups AI might just be the solution you're looking for. One of the standout features of Setups AI is its versatility. Whether you're in content creation, digital marketing, or even software development, it adapts to your needs. It doesn't matter if you're just getting started or a seasoned professional, Setups AI offers tools that will fit your specific use case. It's truly a jack of all trades when it comes to AI software. What sets Setups AI apart is its user-friendly interface. Unlike other tools that are packed with overwhelming options, Setups AI focuses on simplicity without sacrificing power. From the moment you log in, you'll notice how intuitive the dashboard is. No need for a steep learning curve, which means you can get started with minimal effort, and that's crucial for busy professionals who don't have time to spend hours figuring out how to use a tool. Another thing that's worth mentioning is Setups AI's automation capabilities. This is where the software really shines. It can automate various workflows, reducing the need for manual work and freeing up your time. Whether you're looking to automate your emails, social media scheduling, or even your customer service, this software has got you covered. But here's the kicker. Setups AI also comes with a robust analytics feature. You can track the performance of the tasks and processes you automate, giving you real-time insights into how effective your AI is working for you. It's not just a matter of automating tasks, but also measuring the results so you can make informed decisions. Let's not forget about scalability. Setups AI is built to grow with you. It doesn't matter if you're running a small startup or managing a larger team. This software is designed to scale according to your needs. It offers flexible pricing and can handle growing demands without missing a beat. Another crucial feature that sets Setups AI apart is its integrations. It seamlessly integrates with some of the most popular platforms you might already be using, like Google Analytics, Slack, and even your email marketing tools. This makes it easy to incorporate AI into your existing workflows without having to completely overhaul your current systems. Finally, security is always a concern when it comes to digital tools, and Setups AI doesn't take shortcuts here. The platform follows best practices in data protection, so you can rest assured that your information is secure while using the software. If you're wondering whether Setups AI is right for you, I'd say it's worth trying. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or someone looking to make your business more efficient, this software delivers on all fronts. Don't forget, you can try it for free using the first link in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools myself, I found that Setups AI holds up to the hype. So, if you're ready to elevate your workflow, check out Setups AI and see what it can do for you. As always, I've also listed my recommended AI tools in the description, so be sure to check those out as well.